Welcome to qnawire.
Over here, using an equation for mass and diameter, we need to estimate what is going to be the mass in grams for a circle with diameter 17.2. So probably this is going to come from a lab practice in which you plotted different values for diameters and masses, and you're going to find essentially what is going to be a linear fit, where the mass is going to be related to a constant as such. In reality, what this constant is going to look like is that the density for the circles is going to be equal to the mass divided by the area, is going to give us the value for the mass directly as density times the area of the circle. Remember that this density is going to have units of grams per centimeter squared. So if we make the dimensional analysis of this, is going to be gram per centimeter squared times centimeter squared. So the area, remember that the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. The radius is nothing but the diameter divided by 2. So the area can be written as pi times diameter squared divided by 4. So the mass is going to be given by pi times diameter divided by 4. In your graph, what this is going to represent is that the slope of the graph in your equation is going to be essentially the density. Sorry, over here we need to multiply this by density, right? So the slope on your graph is going to represent, over here, diameter with respect to mass. The slope is going to be positive, and it's going to be equal to the density times pi divided by 4. And actually over here, the correct linear fit would be diameter squared. You don't need to fit with respect to diameter, right? So with this part, what you're going to do is find the value on your problem. So as a recap, with the data points that you're going to have, you're going to plot mass versus density squared. With that, you're going to be able to do a linear fit of your data points. In this case, as I have showed, the relationship in between mass and the diameter squared needs to be linear. So with the equation y equal to mx plus b that you're going to find from this linear fit, you're going to be able to do your calculation. If you want, and if you have the data points, you can upload a different question in which we can proceed and find what is the actual linear fit for that. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.